So in today's video, we will be discussing regarding three major components. We will first start with switches. So as you can see over here, all these are switches and this is the circuit symbol of a switch. So as seen in the circuit symbol, the switch has only two pins. Switch is a component that is without any polarity. Why is a switch used for? Already you will be knowing this. It is used for turning on or turning off a device. Switches can be connected in series or parallel. We will come to that afterwards. Now here you can see a circuit diagram in which a switch is present. So in this circuit diagram there is a battery. We had already discussed regarding batteries earlier. This is the positive of a battery and this one is the negative of a battery. Positive is connected to a switch and in turn it goes through the resistor. In turn it is connected to the positive of an LED. Similarly, negative is connected directly to the LED. So whenever this switch is on, current will be passing through this route and the entire circuit will be complete so that the LED will be turning on. So now we will move to the next component, that is the resistors. So you can see here all these colorful things, they are known by the name resistors. This is the circuit symbol of a resistor. So here also there is no positive or negative. That means it's a 2-pin component without any polarity. Why it's a 2-pin component? There are only 2 leads over here. Correct. In the figure also you can see only 2 leads are there. Why a resistor is used? It is used for controlling current or voltage. Now it can be connected in series or parallel as well. Just for your understanding, these are a series set of resistors and this is a parallel set of resistors. In order to calculate the overall resistance in this group, what we will be doing is we will be just summing all these resistances together. So here 4 resistances are there. Just imagine what will be the change in this equation. Rs will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 and one more thing will be coming over here plus R4. Okay, so if resistors are connected in series, in order to get the entire resistance, you just need to sum up all the resistances. Now what if resistors are connected in parallel? If resistors are connected in parallel, then this is the equation for calculating the resistance. Overall resistance over here, it is given as 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Is it complete? No. One more resistance is over here, due to that plus 1 by R4 is going to come. Now we will go to the next component, that is the diode. So here you can see this one is a circuit symbol of a diode and there is a positive sign here and there is a negative sign here. So this is one of our components which is having 2 pins. It is having polarity also. Now this is how a diode will be looking in a real-time environment. And finally, a diode is used for conducting current if it is forward biased only. So forward bias means this positive of the diode will be connecting that to the positive of the battery. Similarly, this negative of the diode will be connecting that to the negative of the battery as well. So positive to positive and negative to negative gives you a forward bias. Diode will be conducting only in a forward bias condition. That means diode usually will be working only if it is forward biased. There is also one more bias, reverse bias. Reverse bias means you will be just be connecting this thing in the opposite direction to the battery. So positive will be connected to negative of the battery and negative will be connected to positive of the battery. In such a case, diode will not be conducting electricity. Uses of the diode. First one, it is used in AC adapters in order to convert AC to DC. What is this conversion of AC to DC? See, the electricity that is coming in your home from transformers and all, it is actually having 230 volt and also it is an alternating type of current. We cannot give that alternating kind of current directly to charge our mobile phones or something. So we need to convert that alternating type of current to direct type of current, just like similar to a current that you are getting from a battery. So for this conversion process, such a device is there inside the AC adapter of your mobile phone. Now coming to the second use, it is used for protecting other electronic components. This you will be understanding later only. And finally, it is used for ensuring current flow in only one direction. So as I told before, diode will be working in only forward bias condition, that is when it is connected like this, positive to positive and negative to negative. If it is connected in the other direction, it is not going to work. That means it will be ensuring current flow in only one direction. Now, an example of a diode, that is the 1N4001, which is having a forward current of 1 ampere and a reverse current of 5 microampere.